Hello beautiful people, you're super welcome back to my channel. See Elegant Natural Beauty and Fabulous channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and if you're old, you are super welcome. Alright guys, please check below, you see the subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified anytime I upload a new video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to make coconut oil. I'm sure most of you know the benefit of coconut oil for hair, for skin, and even for cooking. Health wise, coconut oil is very good. So guys, I'm going to be showing you how to make this very wonderful oil that will help in your cooking, make your skin glow, and also your hair, and also for any other thing that you might also need it for. I'm sure everyone knows how to break coconuts, so I didn't add that up here, but you just go ahead and slice it into tiny little pieces. After breaking it, then you blend. Ensure you add little amount of water to enable it blend properly. After blending, you go ahead and sieve. Oh my god, my blender didn't do a nice job. The chaff are just too much. I'm not gonna get much oil from this. My blender didn't do a good job. I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse for the second time. Coconut oil has so many amazing benefits. Coconut oil stimulates hair growth, getting deep into the follicles. Coconut oil promotes the scalp health, fighting against such problems as insect bite, lice, and dandruff. Coconut oil adds luster, shine, and softness to the hair. So guys, I'm gonna allow this stay overnight. So guys, the water has separated from the oil. The oil is on top and the water is being made. So I'm just gonna scoop it inside my pot right now. After scooping the oil, what is left now is just the water. So I'm gonna go ahead and heat it on fire. Once it starts boiling, you see that it starts foaming all the way up. Once the foam stops, the oil will come up, and then you see tiny little holes boiling, and then you see the oil at the top. Once that happens, know that your oil is ready. You bring it down, allow it to cool a little bit before pouring it inside a bowl. Our oil is ready. I'm super excited, even though I didn't get much out of it because the coconut didn't blend properly. So guys, this oil is very useful as it helps protect your skin from UV rays, relieve skin irritation and eczema, has so many benefits including moisturizing the skin. with coconut oil, you don't have to worry about dark knuckles. Alright, beautiful people, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope the video was helpful. Please, if this video was helpful, consider subscribing. See you on my next video. Stay beautiful. Bye.